Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, if you're on TikTok, I'm going to show you to delete your search on your watch history. Now of course, if you want to delete your search on the watch history, please follow along. Alright, so you're going to find a TikTok app. Once you're on TikTok, make sure that you go to your profile. If you're not on your profile, so for example you're on your home feed, click profile, which is bottom right. I'm already on my profile here, so once you click on, it should be on this screen. Next, go to the three lines upper right. Then you're going to go to settings, which is the last icon here that says settings and privacy. All right, in order to access your search or watch history, go to where it says activity center, which where all of your activity is. You should see this information as here. We're going to start first with your watch history. Go in where it says watch history. Now you'll see every video you have ever watched. You can also go back and rewatch videos or find old videos that you have watched. Seeing this tutorial is for deleting your watch history. You're going to go ahead and what you're going to do is you're going to long press any video. Once you do, you could delete the video. Notice you have the option to cancel as well. Now, in case you want to select more videos, like you can do that for a specific video, which is much slower. But in case you want to do multiple, go ahead and select in the upper right. So once you click select, you'll see the options here. You can select multiple now and then hit delete, which will be highlighted. So I could do this one, and notice I can delete multiple. It tells me the count, which is 2. But let's say, for example, you want to do more. From what is highlighted, go ahead and use select all watch history. This is for a complete deletion. Once you do, as seen here, everything will be selected. It doesn't tell you the count this time, so go ahead and hit delete. And here you go. It says delete watch history. And it does indicate that delete watch history will continue to keep your watch history data for some time to optimize your experience on TikTok. So while it might be deleted for you immediately or you can't access it, it does keep it for a while just to make sure it can curate or recommend better content. So you can go ahead and hit delete. I'm not going to do it for mine, but you can go for yours. I'm going to cancel. All right, so I can go back. When I go back, you have your comment history as well, but no, most important again, your search history. You can do a similar thing here. You can select, you'll see the options. You can cherry pick what you want, or you can use a C down here, select all, and you can hit delete all. All right, so once you hit delete all, again, it will give you the warning pertaining to what will be done. So it does keep your data for some time to optimize your preference. But of course, again, you can go ahead and hit delete. This is just a demonstration. So I'm going to hit cancel. All right. You can also do the same for comment history. And of course, that is it. How to delete your history on TikTok. If you have any direct question, please ask them below. Who do hope this was helpful. And as always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye.